Mr. Dansby, in the meantime, I just wanted to give you an overview of some of the things that we have done. The students are going to introduce you to some of the community projects because our main purpose is to help them explore career opportunities. Each week, we offer them career challenges. For example, if a student says he or she wants to become an engineer, each week they will be challenged to discover something about their career, and they are awarded points based on the discovery of what the challenge is. And then as well, that we're challenging them to get involved with community leadership projects. And that's why we had a chat with Mayor Price, because we work with the City of Fort Worth Education Department, Neighborhood Education Department, and we adopted their initiatives for clean lakes, for clean air, and things of that nature. And so with the career space pages that the students have developed, they can basically from the time they graduate from high school, they can be fully involved in what's going on in their community as well as exploring new opportunities as well.